Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma, and I represent the Oklahoma City and Tulsa markets for investors. And I want to talk a little bit about pricing right now. Now, in the previous video I did last week, I talked about what the Fed is or is not doing about what interest rates are going to happen. So, when are these cuts coming and how are they going to affect the market? But the one thing we're already seeing is a robust market in Oklahoma City and Tulsa. Literally from last year, the days on market, what we call the absorption rate, which is how much time does it take to sell everything that's in the MLS system that's for sale, registering just that, not for sale by owners. And it's 32 days, even as little as 30 days in Tulsa. Now, 6 months is a neutral market. So we're way away from 6 months. And so builders and people that own existing homes are going, well, you know something? I think that the way the market's going, people are still buying, even if these rates are much higher than the COVID rates that we had a couple of years ago. So if that is the case, if you have Oklahoma City, which is, the 9th fastest growing metro, over 1 million in the United States, so more people coming in, incredibly low unemployment rates, great jobs, a lot of dynamics that are going on with the city, then sellers are not necessarily going to just say, well, I got to discount this to sell. It's not happening. Builders are always going to want to raise prices. We're already seeing that right now. We have a builder in Tulsa, builds above $300,000. They had a special going on. The special is off, and now prices are going up a little at a time, like $2,500 to $3,500 per home. Our main builder that we work with, which is the lowest price builder in Oklahoma City, we're seeing prices now that these older neighborhoods are sold out. Now we're seeing the same home $10,000 or $20,000 higher. And at the end of this year, they're going to go even higher, especially with rate cuts. So if you're thinking, hey, I'm just going to wait until the market falls apart, it isn't happening. In fact, I've been selling real estate since 1999 in Oklahoma City. I can tell you from about the late 90s on, it hadn't happened here. Even in 2008, 2009, when you had the mortgage meltdown, it didn't happen. Sure, there's foreclosures all the time, but they're extremely low. And so if you have a dynamic market like we have, and you have a limited amount of inventory that is selling quickly, even though the inventory is expanding, but even with the expansion, it's selling quickly, then this is the time to go in and look to see what's on the market, what the return on investment is, because that is what we do. We do an analysis of what's the annualized return that you're getting with current market conditions. We get information from our property manager. We get information from our insurance agent. We get the price. We put all this into a mixture of an Excel spreadsheet that's a kitchen sink. In fact, in the next video, I'm going to go into that. And then we come out with something and say, is this worth something an investor should do? And we're also looking at existing homes, not old ones, but say something built in the last 10 or 15 years, has modern floor plans and in good condition. So we can do those also, both in the Oklahoma City and Tulsa market. So understand that pricing is going up now. It is going to continue to go up, and as long as the market is strong, it's going to stay that way.